The impact of air pollution on pregnant mothers and fetuses. The development of the fetus fully depends on the health of the mother. Small smoke particles from air pollution, or PM2.5, enter the mother's lungs and transfer to the fetus through the placenta. Particles spread throughout the body of the fetus and reach the developing brain. This process repeats itself every time the mother breathes. Development of the brain in the womb takes place at an astounding rate, averaging 250,000 new neurons per minute. The particles that penetrate the fetus override brain development and growth. The amount of harmful compounds inhaled structurally alter the brain, reducing memory and attention span, which results in impaired ability to learn and prevents a child reaching their full potential. Air pollution poses other risks to the developing fetus, including reduced fetal growth, low birth weight, preterm birth, stillbirth, DNA alteration. Protect your children from air pollution. Stay inside when air pollution is high. If you have to go out, wear a filtering mask. Install window filters and air filters at home if possible. Consume food and drinks high in vitamin C, E, and omega-3 antioxidants.